how to use coupons in Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to how to use your coupons on your Shein app, then you're in the right place. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So after installing your Shein app and logging in, you'll see a home page like this. Now you'll have to go to your cart option and you have to add something on your cart. And after adding to your cart, go to your profile icon on the bottom right, and then there you'll see option for coupons on the top. Tap on it, and here you'll see I have two coupons that are unused. You can also see your used coupons or expired coupons, and you can tap on shop and buy the option that you have added on the cart by using this coupon, and you'll get 20% off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.